Yeah, it fucking cracked my windshield.
Oh shit. Yeah.
What's that license plate say there? 111 399.
Yeah. 111399. PC or whatever. Something in front of the mud. He's
Shit,
still
look at it, it's fucking dropping all over my windshield.
You just got another one right here. I just seen something.
I gotta see what company this is, man.
They're both throwing it. Oh.
Yo, motherfucker, pull over! Pull the fuck over! I can't.